Hi, we're Mike and Jennifer Wendland, and if you're on your way to Yellowstone or Glacier, there's a must-see place in Montana.
It's the Little Bighorn battlefield. It's a national monument, and you need to budget at least half a day to explore this place. Let us show you why. A lot of people just do maybe a little pathway walk down by the Interpretive Center and then come up to Last Stand Hill, but what they don't realize is that the battlefield itself is really spread out over, well, almost 5 miles. And there's a little road that you can take that will take you out to many of the sites out that way.
The 5-mile drive takes you past where the battle took place. There's historical markers all along the way.
There's historical marker sites at many of the pull-offs. It's really fine. For RVs, well, we just passed a Class A minute ago, but certainly a Class B, a Class C would have no problem in here. I see a Class C actually coming towards us right now. The scenery is just spectacular, and not much has changed since that fateful day in June so long ago.
There is a large parking lot for visitors, with lots of spots for RVs. But in peak summer tourist time, it tends to fill up fast, so your best chance of getting a parking spot for your RV is to arrive early, by 10 a.m. at the latest.
Before visiting the grave sites and walking the trails, stop in the Interpretive Visitor Center. There are historical displays of General Custer and the orders of President Ulysses Grant to send troops out to force the Indians onto reservations. Historical photos, ranger presentations, and information about Sitting Bull and Crazy Horse and the tribes they united to try and save their way of life explain how it all led to the Battle of Little Bighorn. Just a short walk up the hill from the Interpretive Center is Last Stand Hill, where the gravestones can be found where the soldiers fell.
At the top of the hill marking where Custer fell, amidst the beauty of the rolling prairie, is a weathered granite marker with the names of the more than 270 soldiers and Indian scouts of the 7th Cavalry who were killed in the battle. 5 of the 7th Cavalry's 12 companies were annihilated in the battle that killed Custer, and 2 of his brothers, a nephew, and a brother-in-law.
On the other side of the hill is a memorial to honor the Indians who died here.
About 75 Indian warriors died in the battle. Several thousand Indians from the Sioux, Lakota, Northern Cheyenne, and Arapaho tribes were involved in the battle, completely overwhelming Custer and his men.
you look up there, you see the Calvary Monument is perfectly framed. It's right in the middle of the portal. And so what they're trying to say is, will the cavalry men that are buried underneath there come down here and come through the portal and meet in this big circle here that we're standing in with the Indian warriors that were killed here, and meet here for the purposes of unity and peace.
The battlefield itself was much more than the hill where Custer made his last stand. In all, the battlefield covers 765 acres. It's all accessible through winding roads and walking trails. It's a place of great emotion and drama that played a pivotal role in the nation's history.
The Little Bighorn battlefield is a very emotional place, part of our history, and if you're in the area, you really should stop by and visit.
We're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. We want to thank you for watching this video, and please do us a favor and subscribe to our RV Lifestyle channel right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.